restrictions finally lifting, we're able to get back to Bantayan. We've rented a house down around this location. It's right across the road from these sea cliffs. The cliffs have entry stairs, got several points to allow us to get down to the water easily, and their entry beaches half a kilometer plus either side. In preparation, I'm reworking the Rev 1 generator design. It had a couple of big problems. The first was that with these push-pull arrangement on the power nets, we had no way to reel in the nets to make deployment easy. So the new one is now using a single pulley, single stepper motor system based on an e-bike motor. It's also using a lot more off-the-shelf components. We're using an off-the-shelf set of pulleys, 3 different diameters, V-belt pulleys, and we're using off-the-shelf parts. The real key is the new e-bike motor and e-bike controller. I didn't realize that almost all these e-bike controllers have a built-in regenerative braking circuit. That regenerative brake is a generator. So when we put it in braking mode, it's a generator. When we put it in drive mode, it's a motor. So what that allows us to do is use the e-bike motor to do both jobs. So when we want to activate the system, this slider pulls out, the sail closes, the water grabs the sail, the wheel starts spinning, drives the generator, charges the batteries. When the stroke ends, we slide the slider back, the sail's open, we reverse the direction on the generator, making it a motor, and we pull the sail power net back in. The other problem we had was with these block and tackle sail controls. The lines kept falling off the pulleys. So with a new configuration, we're going to simple drilled steel plates. We're going to polish out the holes. Then we thread the line through the holes. Can't fall off the pulleys. It's much, much more foolproof. We can deploy it, undeploy it. It only has one pulley, much less likely to get tangled. The parts are already ordered. They're being shipped. 3D printing charges were 1/4 what they were before. So the whole thing is much, much more affordable. But I did have to build a new unit. So if things go as planned, we're heading up to the island in 1 to 2 weeks. We should be getting parts coming in over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Right now I'm working on electronics and software. Hopefully by February or March, we will be generating electricity out of the ocean with a unit that the prototype costs less than $1,000 a unit. Final units, $400, $500 to get 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatts of electricity out of the ocean off a fishing boat. Okay? So, everyone take care. Watch out for COVID. Keep watching how we're doing. Things are hopefully going to get a lot more exciting over the next couple of months because we can actually go out and test any day we want when the weather is good, as opposed to having to make a special trip to the beach. Take care. Have a great holiday.
What I am about to present is a new renewable energy concept with the potential to power the world.